Yo, just got my first order for today. Shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going about 5 miles. Only 2 items. Just took a stacked Walmart order, 23 for about 9 miles.
Alright, this bag for you.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You as well. Not really sure what to make of this order anymore. Yeah, if I don't get at least $10 out of this order, it's not worth it. Alright, I got $10 and some change. Base pay from Uber there. Let's just hope the tip makes it even sweeter. Next order up is for Hello Waffle Cart. $10 going about 4 miles. Morning.
Morning. Postmates, Uber.
I've been there twice and both times it's been ready on time. I'm liking that place so far. Plus it always smells amazing. Then again, I am a sucker for breakfast foods. Next order up is for IHOP. This one is $16 going about 9 miles. To be honest, kind of iffy on this order, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, do you mind just checking on?
It should be almost done, right?
Any update on my order?
Yeah, I'm packing it up right now.
Do you guys have an online order?
That's all I need to hear.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
I don't know how long I was waiting for that, but no. Do you have an order for my customer? No. This next order is most definitely a tip 8, but I'm just gonna be wasting my time today, so Taco Bell, $25 for about 7 miles. This place is not open. Oh, what a lovely day. All right, next up I've got a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $10.50 going 6 miles, 2 items. Is this the same thing?
The Canadian apple? No.
No?
So this should be the apple for the generic. That's usually the good.
Oh yeah,
up,
you're
so.
right. Okay, cool.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cherry Coke right here.
Yep, decline non-sufficient funds.
All right, let me contact support then.
From all drive.
Bro.
I'll be right back.
Do you mind if I just steal one bag? Thank you, sorry. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my mind. Hello, I'm just dropping off for a, I need his ID for this.
Okay. You can come up, that's fine.
Okay. Hello. And then just scribble on that red line for me. Good enough for me. Today is not my day. Next order up is McDonald's, $7.50 going about 5 miles.
What are you here for?
FA4. Thank you. Leave that garage door, it will be open. I have a broken leg, so I'm hanging out in the garage, less stairs, etc. You don't have to explain that to me, dude. Now I feel bad. There you are.
Thanks, sir.
You have a good day. Thank you. Total ended up being $8.75 for that. Small hidden tip on it. I'll take that. All right, next order up is for Carl's Jr. $7 going just under 5 miles.
There's 2 drinks there.
Gotcha. Thank you. Total ended up being $8.25. Hidden tip on that one as well. Next order up is for Popeyes. $8.75 going about 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You as well. Oh boy. I have to get buzzed in twice for this drop off. This should be fun. Alright, I'm not sure what just happened, but I got the exact same order for that same customer that I just delivered to, except this one's paying $11.75. I feel like they're getting double charged or something. I'm not certain. Either way, I'm gonna head over to the restaurant to go collect my half pay and or a free meal. So we'll see what happens.
Alright, so we don't have any blackness sandwiches anymore. Like, we're done, like the promotion's done for that.
So I just wanted to double check that you actually ordered twice, or you might have gotten double charged from DoorDash. I'm not sure.
Okay, I just canceled the order.
Anyways, I've got an order for Nayeli's place. $7.25 going like 5 miles. I believe this is like a breakfast spot.
Okay, yes, 2 bags.
Okay. No drinks, right? No drinks. Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hello?
Hi, is this so my last delivery right before yours got canceled and I was stuck with their food. I was just wondering if you want a Diet Coke.
Sure.
Okay, cool. $11.25. Nice. Hidden tip on that one as well. All right, and on that note, I think I am gonna call it. The sandwich is calling my name. Current time is 11:28. Current total is 97, I think. I really should keep going because I think the money is about to start pumping in, but I am starving. Maybe I'll hop back on after lunch. We'll see. Either way, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah. Bye.